What's up, guys? This is part 2 of replacing parts on my dirt bike. Today we're going to replace one of the chain guides, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty damaged right there. I just want to make sure it's replaced because I don't like how it looks. I'm going to see if I can just wiggle it out. So I'm going to loosen some of these Allens. What's on there? And then we have our final Allen under here. All right, now I got all of the Allens off. Let's see if I can just wiggle this out. Oh yeah, look. Come on. Maybe if I... Yeah, there we go. Man, look at how chewed up that guy is. Wow. And then I'll show you the new one. Here's the new one compared to the old one. I'm gonna try getting this on one-handed. Yeah. No fingers. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Just went right in. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna hand tighten these guys down. Tighten this guy down. Same with this bottom one. We have our final Allen right here. All right, all tightened down, brand new. Then tomorrow's video is gonna be putting on new fasteners for the plastics. Bye.